Hello, hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about cells. First of all, we'll move to the introduction to cell. A cell is the smallest unit of life. All living things are made up of cells. So, what are the living things? Basically, there are three types of living things. They are plants, animals, and microorganisms. So, all these three types of organisms are made up of cells. Think of a cell like a tiny building block that make up your body. Actually, when we considering about a cell, as it is the smallest unit of life, most cells cannot be seen from our naked eye. So we need to use a special type of equipment called microscope to observe cells. There are two types of cells, not two types of actually. There are different types of cells. Basically, they are animal cells, plant cells, and up to your level, we will be talking about bacterial cells and the viral cell also. So, today in this slideshow, I will be only focusing about animal cells and plant cells. We'll discuss about these viral cells and also fungal cells, bacterial cells in near future. When we compare about the animal cell and plant cells, basically there are few differences. Animal cells can only find in animals and round or irregular. They do not have a cell wall, vacuole and chloroplast. Plant cells only found in plants. The shape is rectangular. Basically, they have cell wall, chloroplast and vacuole. These three structures cannot be seen in animal cells. In here, I have mentioned an animal cell and a plant cell. If you clearly go through it, you can see there is a nucleus, membrane or cell membrane, and there are ribosomes, mitochondria, cytoplasm, cell wall, chloroplast, and vacuole. This green color words, cell wall, chloroplast, and vacuole, only can be found in plant cells. They cannot be seen in animal cells. Nucleus, cell membrane, ribosomes, mitochondria, and cytoplasm can be seen in both animal and plant cells. So, if they are asking, write down three differences between animal and plant cells, what you have to write? Plant cells are having cell wall. It is made up of cellulose. Plant cells have chloroplast. They contain chlorophyll. It will be helping to do photosynthesis. Plant cells have big vacuole, but animal cells don't have a cell wall, chloroplast, and vacuole. Here, we'll discuss about the common parts of animal and plant cell. Cell membrane, it will be controlling what enters and leaves the cell. So it is the barrier in the cell. Cytoplasm, it is a jelly-like substance where reactions are happening. And all the other organelles like mitochondria, nucleus, chloroplast are embedded on this cytoplasm. Nucleus is the control center of the cell, and it will be control the cell's activity. Please don't mix it up. Nucleus is the control center, and it will be controlling the cell's activity. Cell membrane controls what enters and leaves the cell. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. It means it will be doing respiration and producing the energy necessary for the cell. These are the structures that only can be seen in plant cells. They are cell wall, chloroplast, and large vacuole. Cell wall is a strong outer layer for support. So, as I mentioned earlier, cell wall of a plant cell is made up of cellulose. Chloroplast helps plants make food. It means it is helping for the process of photosynthesis. Large vacuoles store water and keep the cell firm. And there may be some salt, sugars, and coloring pigments dissolved inside this vacuole. Those are the basic things that you need to know about animal and plant cells. In next slideshow, we'll discuss about a viral cell and a bacterial cell. Thank you.